Hey guys, Sonia from Dreadlock Society. For those of you who don't know who I am the founder and creator of Dreadlock Society Hair Care Products, who is basically servicing a lot of dreadheads all over the world. But today I wanted to show you the 6 beautiful products in our range that I use daily. Let's go.
Listen to me now.
Let's talk shampooing dreadlocks. I tend to use my shampoos every 5 weeks, 4 to 5 weeks, when they start feeling heavy and you can tell when your dreads are ready for washing. Your scalp will tell you also. So my products that I'm really enjoying is Shampoo My Dreads by Dreadlock Society. My favorite at the moment is Earthchild. I use this every 4 to 5 weeks. Couple of pumps, water, make sure your dreads are completely drenched, and we're starting that foaming process. Next fragrance, Omni. Another beautiful, beautiful, fresh summer fragrance. You can use it in winter, of course, but this one's going to have all your citrus. So it's going to, wake you up in the morning, obviously keep you fresh. Your dreads are going to smell amazing, whatever fragrance you use. My next fragrance, the Warrior. Now let me tell you, this is more of a musk flavor, a bit earthy and stuff like that. I haven't actually tested this one out a lot. I am more into Earthchild and Omni, and this is the benefit. You have 3 fragrances to choose from in all our range. Not only do we have a liquid shampoo, we also have a dread shampoo bar. What people are mentioning to us is that whilst they do love this liquid, they're also loving the bar, because we ask them to cut them smaller and that gets straight into the scalp all over. It foams up really, really nice. And a lot of people are using this for their scalp and then the liquid throughout the dreads. Now let's talk about conditioning dreadlocks. It's a topic of discussion just in itself. When should we do it? I recommend after a year of your locking journey. So I do use our conditioning bars. I use it basically from the scalp to tip, and it just gives the moisture that your dreadlocks are deserving. Dreadlocks over time can get very, very dry, brittle. We don't want to get to that stage. We want to basically introduce moisture. So what is in all our products? This is one thing that Dreadlock Society is so onto: transparency. You can see every single ingredient that we have in our products because it's listed on our websites. Each product at the bottom has their ingredients listed. So it's good to know what you're putting on your head. Our conditioning bars have the base of coconut oil, kakadu plum extract, olive oil, sesame seed oil, pumpkin seed oil, and cacao butter. And don't forget, these come in our 3 signature fragrances: Earthchild, Omni, and the Warrior. What does Dreadlock Society offer? We actually have salons in Australia, Adelaide, offering dread care treatments. So you can go from a deluxe service all the way down to a simple dreadlock wash. We do detoxes as well, and we use all our Australian botanicals on your dreads. All right, let's talk about drying dreadlocks completely. What I tend to do straight after the shower is I pop my dreads in our microfiber dread towel. It does look like a turban, which makes it really, really easy to keep them locked up for you. 15 minutes with one of our microfibers, 300 GSM, 80 grams. It will absorb the drying time by half. If you feel like you need to then continue drying, we do offer the bonnet. Don't know if anyone's seen those before. Basically on top of the head, pop it onto the dryer and sit there for as long as you need. What I would do in between, just before we've done that, is I do use the Hydrate My Dread. Now, let's not forget how long it takes for dreadlocks to dry. We're gonna want to be washing our dreads early in the morning to allow time to dry before we're hitting that pillow. The reasons why, I'm sure you guys know, is we don't want to get any mold in our dreads, because then that is the end of dreadlocks. Unfortunately, you know, this hairstyle does take a little bit more effort, but I look at it as a ritual, and a ritual for myself that I can give back to me. Why are we using Lock My Dreads? Salt plays a big role in helping your dreads mature. Think of the surfy that is in the water. How good are their dreads looking? Why? Salt. So we have been able to use Himalayan salt of top grade in our salt spray. Basically, you've got the C in the bottle. The best time to be using Lock My Dreads is when your hair is damp. You can obviously use it for palm rolling as well, but I like using it even when my dreads are dry. It gives the fragrance, a quick fragrance boost, and it makes my dreads feel so healthy. And it combats the frizz. The witch hazel is the secret ingredient. So by now you know that we have 3 fragrances: Omni, The Warrior, and Earthchild. Like I promised, Hydrate My Dreads is a game changer. I'm gonna just try some now. Spraying, pushing it all through on your ends. You can actually put this one on your scalp as well. So this has your powerful ingredients. What are the ingredients in this beauty? We have, again, you can look at this all up, transparency all over the website. We have aloe vera. Now we know how good aloe vera has been in the hair industry. It is full, jam-packed full with vitamin E. The best thing to keeping these locks hydrated. Argan oil. Now we're talking premium stuff in our products. The best of the best. Hemp and grapeseed oil. I mean, we're throwing everything good in these products. Now, with that said, that we have some amazing ingredients, all of these ingredients are anti-inflammatory. Another good thing for scalp, because we know how sore our scalps can get. Nourish My Scalp. Just in the word of this product name, it is going to nourish your scalp. Inflammation, eczema, after dreadlock maintenance. This has saved hundreds of dreadheads, including myself. This was my first product that I actually put together. I was suffering with eczema and dry, sore, flaky, inflamed scalp, but I knew that I didn't want to get rid of these dreadlocks. I love them, and this is how this one was born. High in natural vitamin E, vitamin B, cucumber, lots of other products. Again, go to the website and have a look exactly what we've got in here. We use it very simple. A little bit goes a long way. So a couple of pumps, the brush that you get, and every single section. Obviously my hair is up, but we're going to be applying this to every single section throughout the head. The best thing in summertime is keeping this beauty in the fridge. It's going to give you another sensation of relief. All right, let's talk detox, because we do need to get rid of every single thing that gets trapped in these babies, which makes them feel heavy, yucky. Dreadlock Society's Detox My Dreads is amazing, and I do use this on a 3 to 4 month cycle. What you need to do is get yourself an inflatable. Very easy. It is in one of our packs right now in our sale. You're going to want to put your dreads all in here, get your product in there, and some hot water. 15 minutes to 20 minutes, that's all you need. So all you're going to be needing is 1/4 cup of this stuff, and get it into hot water so it dissolves and ready for your dreadlocks to get in there. And again, we do have this in all of our fragrances: Omni, Earthchild, and The Warrior. Okay, so let's remember that if you are in the beginning stages of your dread journey, we're not going to be wanting to detox before the 6 months. After 6 months, we do encourage the first detox. Get onto the website, take advantage of the sale that we have now, which includes the Dread Basin. So basically, when you're starting your dread journey, it is very, very important to start doing your research on what products are you going to use. The best products in our range is our pack. It would be strongly advised that within that first month after you've done your dreadlock install, to get yourself a pack of ours. It does include obviously the lock, the detox, the shampoo and the nourish, plus the sale that we have going on now will get you the basin as well.